Today, the number of people in Yorubas that are skeptical in Yoruba-speaking area, that I'm trying to say, are more skeptical of an Igbo presidency than anybody from the north. Why? Because Northerners are not competitors to the Igbos, but the Yorubas are. What is the stake in Nigeria? The education and capital. We don't have the capital in the north. We don't have enough educated people. We will have one day, I know. There will be a time when we'll surpass the south. The time is coming. But it's not now. It's not there yet. So there is no serious competition between the north and the southeast, except the unfortunate ill feeling of the Civil War. Well, my suggestion is this: that one, I'll direct it to our Igbo compatriots, that they should go out, seek understanding with fellow Nigerians. Tell them that, in fairness, they should be supported to produce the next president. But don't let them issue threat. Threat wouldn't work when you are looking for something like this, because threat doesn't get you votes. This thing is a matter of casting vote. When somebody goes into booth to cast his vote, it will be he and his God alone. So win his heart. Don't try to antagonize him. If you antagonize him, he will not vote for you. And he has not committed any sin or offense. So persuade, this is the reason why political parties campaign. It's just to persuade people. Election is a matter of persuasion. I will just send this message to my Igbo compatriots. I have a lot of them who are my friends, but unfortunately a lot of them have gone. But I still have some, even though they are not my age mate. Let them moderate their method of appeal for votes, but it will pay them better if they use better language in trying to win votes from Nigerians. Thank you very much.